Hey, kindergarten friends, we are going to do some work today with building some numbers. Now, this week you've been working a lot with 10 frames. Today I have two sets of 10 frames. I want you to go get your 10 frame mat, go get some counters. You're going to need about 20 different counters. Remember, you can use Legos, you can use coins, anything that you have around your house. Push pause, and when you're ready, push play again. Today we're going to be building some mystery numbers. Do you see my little rainbow pen right here? This is magic ink. So when I put it over our number, we're going to have to try our hardest to quickly build that number on our 10 frame. Are you ready for the first number? Do you have any predictions of what might be under this blue rectangle? Let's see with our magic ink. It's the number 14. We're going to build the number 14. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to switch a different color because that helps my brain think about my next set of 10 frame. I'm going to keep counting on though from 10, except I'm just going to do green. 11, 12, 13, 14. Now press pause on this video and build 14 on your 10 frame right now. Great job. I hope you built 14. Let's move on to our next magic number. Make a prediction. This number comes after 17, but before 19. Let's use our magic pen to see what the number is. Can you say that number out loud? It's the number 18. We're going to build 18 again. Remember, sometimes we don't even have to count when we're putting our counters in our 10 frame because we know that if we fill up an entire 10 frame, there's got to be 10 counters here because there's 10 boxes. Did you see how Mrs. Ferris didn't even count her counters? That's because I knew once this entire 10 frame was filled, I was going to have 10. What comes right after 10? I know. 11, 12, 13, 14. Wait a second, I forgot what number I'm supposed to count to. Do you remember? I hope you said 18. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Awesome. You can go ahead and pause this video. Make sure you build 18 counters on your 10 frame. When you're ready for the next one, we're going to move on to our next magic number. What number is under here? Make a prediction right now. It's the number 11. We're going to build up our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, mathematicians, don't forget, you can recount every single one of your counters just to make sure that you do have 11. Remember, we don't want to rush through our counting. We want to make sure we are going one to one with our counters, that we're really making sure that we have the right number. I know I have 10 in my 10 frame, and the next number after 10 when I count on is 11. Pause this video. Put 11 counters on your 10 frame, please. All right, I have my magic ink here. What's our next number? This number comes after 16, but before 18. Now, if you can't think of the number, one trick I use is I always look at my numbers and I count them out. So I can count like this: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think this number is going to be 17 because I counted the numbers out to myself. Let's see. It's the number 17. You can go ahead and pause this video and count out 17. Try to do it all by yourself. I hope you filled your entire 10 frame with 10 because that's how we know it's 10. Then we have to count on until we get to 17. We're going to stop at 17. So we have 10 here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You notice that Mrs. Ferris didn't rush. I didn't go 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I didn't go that quickly. I really made sure to count each number out and say it out loud. Okay, friends, we have one last magic number. Make your guesses. What do you think the magic number is going to be? It comes after 13. 11, 12, 13, 14. It's the number 14. You can go ahead and build this number on your own. I'm going to fill my entire 10 frame with 10 counters. I'm not even going to count them out because I know that my 10 frame has 10 boxes in it. If you want to count it out just to make it sure, if you're not quite sure, then you can do that too. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great job playing along today with building our numbers.